Generative AI is rapidly changing our world, transforming the way we live and work. This technology goes beyond traditional AI, offering capabilities that were once the stuff of science fiction. It can create new content from text and code to images and music, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Its impact is being felt across industries from art and entertainment to healthcare and finance, reshaping each field. In the IT sector, generative AI is poised to revolutionize the way we work, making processes more efficient. This revolution brings both challenges and opportunities, requiring us to adapt and innovate. It promises to automate tasks, increase efficiency, and unlock new levels of creativity, changing the workplace dynamic. However, it also raises concerns about job displacement and the need for workforce adaptation, highlighting the importance of reskilling. As we stand at the cusp of this transformative era, it is crucial to understand the profound implications of generative AI on the IT sector and the job market as a whole, preparing for a future where AI plays a central role. Generative AI has the potential to significantly boost global productivity, transforming how we work and live. McKinsey estimates that AI could add trillions of dollars to the global economy in the coming decades, revolutionizing industries. This growth will come from automating tasks, improving decision-making processes, and creating innovative new products and services that we haven't even imagined yet. However, this technological leap also brings the risk of job displacement and economic disruption. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they can perform tasks previously done by humans, changing the job landscape. This shift will impact various sectors, from manufacturing to services, and the IT industry is at the forefront of this change, leading the way in innovation. Within the IT sector, generative AI is automating a wide range of tasks. It can write and debug code, analyze vast datasets, and even identify and mitigate security threats. These capabilities are transforming software development, data analysis, and cybersecurity. This automation allows IT professionals to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity and problem-solving skills. For instance, AI can handle repetitive coding tasks, freeing up developers to focus on designing innovative software solutions. Section 4. Navigating the shifting sands of IT jobs. While generative AI creates opportunities, it also poses risks for certain IT jobs. Roles heavily reliant on repetitive tasks, such as data entry or basic coding, are most vulnerable to automation. However, this shift doesn't necessarily spell doom and gloom. Instead, it highlights the need for IT professionals to adapt and embrace new skill sets. Section 5. The human touch in an automated world. Even as AI automates tasks, essential human skills remain irreplaceable. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving are all areas where humans still hold an edge. The IT sector will see a rise in new roles that require human oversight and ingenuity. These roles will involve managing and training AI systems, interpreting complex data analysis generated by AI, and ensuring ethical considerations are embedded in AI development and deployment. Section 6. Embracing lifelong learning in the age of AI. To thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape, IT professionals must embrace lifelong learning and continuous development. Upskilling and reskilling are crucial for staying ahead of the curve and maintaining a competitive edge. This involves staying informed about the latest AI advancements, acquiring new technical skills, and understanding emerging trends. Developing critical thinking and problem-solving abilities will be in high demand, as these skills are essential for innovation. Furthermore, cultivating adaptability and a willingness to embrace new challenges will be essential for success in the AI-driven future. Remember, the key is not to fear AI, but to understand it deeply. Learn how to leverage its power effectively while honing the uniquely human skills that will continue to be invaluable in the years to come, such as creativity, empathy, and collaboration.